Hello guys, this is Rahul here. Today I'm going to show you how to install stock ROM on your Sony Ericsson Xperia RCS. The download link will be provided in the description section. Okay, so how to install it is first go to the flash tool. Uh, Once you install the flash tool, it will be installed on your C drive. So I have already installed it. Just go to this flash tool and here just click on this flash tool. Just say yes. Okay, so the prerequisite to start installing this is actually that you should have the stock ROM. It will be in the .ftf format. You have to place it in the firmware folder. Here you can see actually the firmwares folder is there. Inside this I have already play. Oh, okay. I'll go to flash tool. So here you can see this generic global. So do control C and go to firmwares and do a control V here. Okay, so we can see that the ROM is getting copied in this folder, firmwares folder. Okay, so now you have copied it. uh, Go to the flash tool and click on this flash symbol. So it will ask you to choose the boot mode. So I will choose it as flash mode. Click on OK, and here you will see that whatever ROMs kernels which are available in the firmwares folder will be visible here. So we are going to use this ROM that we installed. If you see actually, if it is just a kernel file, it will be on the this box. You will just see the kernel option, and if it is a complete ROM, you will see all the options available here. That is there. That is the kernel will be there, baseband will be there, system files will be there, everything. So I just selected it and click on select these options: apps, log, cache, data. These should be checked, and we don't want to exclude anything. We want to install the kernels, FOTA, baseband, system, everything. So do not exclude any of these, that is keep them unchecked. And here just select the that we don't want any final verification to be done. Just click on flash. So you can see the progress in this window. It will be preparing these files for flashing. So once it's done with that activity, it will ask for us to connect the device in flash mode. For that, what you have to do is it will be showing you that I'm doing here. uh, just press the back button and connect the USB. So once you have connected that, it will recognize the device and start the flashing process. So while this is happening, actually nothing will be shown on the uh, phone. So there is nothing to see there. You can see it's actually connected in flash mode. Probably, yeah, here this green light will indicate that it is connected in flash mode and nothing on the screen. Okay, so this will take some time. Allow it to function. But that is all you have to do. First thing is just mm, check the Sony website for the latest firmware that is available for your device, say Sony Ericsson Xperia RCS. I'll be pasting the download link in the description section. So you should have that. That is the stock ROM. Second thing that you need to have is the flash tool. I will be pasting the download link for the same as well. So download the flash tool, install it, and once it's installed, just copy the stock ROM file. It will be .ftf format file, place it in the firmwares folder like we did just now. So once done that, just start the flash tool. So once that is done, then select the then whatever options I told, uh, uncheck, keep the kernels, ROMs, kernel systems, everything unchecked, and just check the wipes, actually system wipe, data wipe, everything, and say okay. Then it will start flashing like it is doing now. Okay, so you can see this message flashing finished here, flashing finished. So once that is done, you can actually disconnect your device. So you'll get this message, device disconnected. So once that is done, just switch on your device. Yeah, so here we see the Sony logo. So since this is the first boot, it will take some time. Do not be worried about it. Let it boot. So there was a shine which shows that it is now going to start. Okay, so here we see the boot animation is Xperia. So before that I had already installed Cyanogen mod on my device, and I had also tested MIUI ROM on it and the Ultimate SD ROM. So in my other videos I will be showing how to install those and giving the reviews for those ROMs as well. So it will take some time. So that, guys, this process will also help you in case you get a soft brick while installing, say, Cyanogen mod or MIUI or even our Ultimate HD ROMs. So always keep these stock ROMs handy, and have this flash tool installed on your laptops. Okay, should be there any minute now. Okay, yeah, so everything is done. On the top you will see this preparing SD card, and then the options. So just select this English, United States, click OK. I don't have the SIM card put into it now. Just click on next, done, OK, and here we are. So guys, this is how you can actually install stock ROM on your Sony Ericsson Xperia Arcus. In case you want to take it to the service center, um, say for getting it upgraded or anything, or just want to have the original experience with your phone. For anything, you can just install the stock ROM in this way. Thank you guys. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you all. See you in the next video.